come with us to Bali
Bird Park, mate. Oh, look at my hair.
Right, I've actually got birds just chilling in trees like it's nothing. He's a good boy. Look at this.
Hello.
Double time.
Oh, you're getting 2 birds on you, mate. Most action you've had all trip.
Hello, man. Oh.
Wow. Go on, nip his ear. Cool. It's weird.
Look at here, sir. Smile.
It's the most amount of birds I've had at once.
Hey.
Ready camera here. Smile.
Right, this place is sick. There's literally just birds chilling everywhere. Hello, brother. What size is this thing? They've literally got everything in this zoo. Bite me. Bite me.
Go on, bite him.
Alright, good boy.
Really hope it's saving for him, but I don't think it will be. Found the one left.
And that is the Bali Bird Park done. I definitely recommend coming there.
100%. So much
Thank you,
fun.
brother.
Thank you, bro.